my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how to go big screen mode on Steam. Step 1. Click on search. Step 2. Search Steam. Step 3. Open it and you will come on this page. If you don't have Steam and you want to download it, links in the description, and also you need a controller for big screen mode. Now, step 4, click on Steam and then go to settings. Click on interface and click on start Steam in big picture mode. I've already done this, so you can also do it. So normally you will have this, click on this and this. For few people, only this may be showing up. Click OK, and now click here. If you have a wired controller, you can keep it with you and connect it via USB. If you have Bluetooth, well, I don't know how to do it. Connect it to your PC, and then you're done. If you want to exit big screen mode, click on this button, click on exit big picture, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe.